Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Now today we're going to show you 5 corner bookmarks all to do with the ocean and under the sea. And because we love paper and because we love paper crafts, we do actually have some corner bookmarks in this book. There's the basic corner bookmark as well as some embellishments, some of our favorite designs. So if you like paper, if you like bookmarks, if you like lots and lots of ideas to do with paper, do check out the link down below for my new paper projects book and get a copy. Anyway, let's take a look at these 5 ocean-inspired bookmarks. Basic to show you how to make a basic corner bookmark, which we use in all our other corner bookmark videos. So what you will need is a square piece of paper. This is 15 by 15 centimeters, but it really doesn't matter. You first twist it to make a diamond. Bring the bottom corner up to the top. And make a neat fold at the bottom. Now you bring the pointy corner up to this one. And repeat. Always make nice, neat creases because that will help you later on. Open, bring one flap down. Then bring this flap over and tuck it under. And repeat. There we go. Your basic corner bookmark is finished. You can now decorate it and turn it into all sorts of other corner bookmarks that we've shared here in Red Ted Art. Do take a look and explore, but in the meantime, if you like this short and simple video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And of course, I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye. I do hope you loved our ocean bookmarks. We have our turtle, our dolphin, our whale, our Nemo, and our little mermaid. As mentioned, we have corner bookmarks here in the book. They really are just the basics, but if you like a nice printout with instructions, with photos, or you'd like to gift the idea of bookmarks to somebody, there are some in this book. In fact, I think we just flicked past them, didn't we? Look at them, aren't they cute? So cute, really simple. So if you'd like to check out the book, just look at the link down below and get your copy as and when you can. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, but above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.